Hi, would you like a pea? Better yet, how about growing your own? A whole lot of them. Snap peas are a good source of fiber, antioxidants, protein, vitamins, and minerals such as potassium and iron. They're also low in calories and have a high water content, which is great for your skin. This is 1 month's progress after sowing the seeds directly in the ground. In the second month, they've outgrown their support system. Pea support has arrived. Wow, this living wall is over 8 feet tall, and it only took 2 months. Looking for a healthy snack for everyone? This is it! Oh, and shout out to our pollinators. Hey Carpenter Bee, thanks for turning this flower into a pea. Grow peas, grow!